Alright, in this video, we're going to go ahead and open up the Dark Sylveon V-Box that I found at our local Walmart. The box looks amazing. Has a couple Pokemons there. And there is the back of it. I was able to open up the Lance's Charizard V-Box a couple days ago. I will put the link on that video down below. I did that video a little bit different. I ended up putting it up against the Charizard EX from the City in Flames. Alright. There's a nice little pamphlet that comes in. Nice little poster that comes with. Very awesome. Set that to the side. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. There is the beautiful Dark Sylveon V card with the celebration stamp on it. There's the code card for you guys. Condition of this card actually looks amazing. Go ahead and sleeve that up. Beautiful looking promo card. And of course we have the jumbo version of it. It looks amazing as well. We'll go ahead and put that right there as well. And we'll go ahead and get the packs out. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start off with Fusion Strike, then Evolving Skies, and then we'll get into the Celebration Pack. Ooh, did I get an error pack? As you guys can see, that one was right there in the back. And that one was in the front. I've never seen a pack like this. So we'll go ahead and turn this one around. We'll go ahead and count it, do the pack trick like you're supposed to. As you can see, the colors are a little different. Those are dark, those are lighter. That one's in a little bit rough shape. I don't know. But we'll do the pack trick and see what we got. That was definitely a weird pack opening. I've never seen a pack get open like that before. That was real. That was definitely odd. Will that be the hit? Did they just put it in the wrong spot? No. I don't know. That was a crazy pack. You got you're only supposed to get a possibility of 2 hits on here. We got the holofoil. We got the reverse. And we got right there. That was a weird pack. Let me know if you guys ever seen a pack like that before. I know the new ones include 3 hits, but I don't remember Fusion Strike having 3 hits. Alright, now with Evolving Skies. Let's see if this pack will at least be right. There's a code card for you guys. And that pack. This pack at least looks normal. That was crazy. All right. Tentacruel. Evolving Skies. Definitely one of my favorite packs, even though very, very hard to get any hits at all on this pack. But anytime I get a chance to open them, I'll take it. And it strikes again. Aside. Let's get on to the Celebrations packs. Celebration only brings 4 cards. I forget if there's a pack trick, but it's all right. We'll just go ahead and go right to it. There's a Reshiram. Oh, there's a shiny. Definitely a shiny card there. What will it be? Zekrom. That Zekrom looks amazing. And we got the Pikachu. 2 beautiful cards. All right. We'll go ahead and sleeve that Pikachu and that Zekrom. I don't know if the pack is, I'm not sure the pack is 1 to the front, the pack trick, but we'll try it on this pack and see what we get. Man, I messed that one up, but it's all right. It is totally fine. All right, we did the 1 to the front. Don't think I pulled that card out yet. Beautiful looking Dodgia. And another Zekrom. Beautiful looking artwork. 2 more celebration packs to go in this dark Sylveon V-Box. Found this at my local Walmart. They must have been restocking it. They had a couple in there, so I said, why not, and picked one up. All right, let's go. And we got a another beautiful V card. I think I pulled that one a couple times, but I'll take it. Got the Ho-Oh again. We got the Lugia, and look at that Luxray X. Beautiful card, beautiful. And we are down to our last pack of celebrations. As always, thanks for joining me on this pack opening. Greatly appreciate it. Hope you had a good time. Consider subscribing. If you guys got time, definitely check out our other content, as well as our shorts. And consider subscribing. Let me know. Have you guys opened up any celebrations? Celebration is one of your favorite set. Definitely let me know in the comments below. Check all my comments all the time. Last pull of the day. Another Zekrom. 2 of the same hits in the same video, and I'll take it. That Zekrom looks amazing, even though I just saw it not too long ago. Still looks amazing. Man, that's a beautiful looking card. Oh, and I dropped it. All right, thanks you guys for watching this video. Let me know below what you guys want to see next. Until next time, greatly appreciate it. See you guys on the next one. Let's customize the world.